Hi, I purchased some pop-on veneers because I am a performer and I need to have a nice smile. I didn't feel like my smile was as bright and white as I wanted it to be. So I ordered the pop-on veneers. It was very easy to take the impressions. I sent them back and within 2 weeks I got my veneers. So here's my smile currently. And here's with my veneers. Maybe make sure that's the bottom. And then the top. And there you have it. A great smile. I can sing with them in, I can talk, I can even eat. Thank you, Pop-On Veneers.